sanitizing unit to help curb the spread of the virus. In this video provided by Basie, you can see SaniZap working. The Woodlawn Company says the device uses superheated steam to destroy germs. It is safe around both pets and people because it doesn't use any chemicals.
We did a demo in a school, and they were just so impressed that they didn't have to clear the entire area off of kids, keep them away for another few hours. You know, they can just literally work around the kids and do it often because you don't have to worry about water.
Basie says companies from around the world are calling them about that tool. Ohio Governor